how to get Korean letters in your Roblox display name. So what we need to do is load up Roblox, click on the gear icon in the top right and go into settings. Now here, make sure that your age is over 18, and the next thing that we need to do is click on display name here, the pencil and paper icon. Now I'm going to go into Wikipedia and just copy some Korean letters, and here's the trick: you want to paste them and save as soon as possible. So I've just copied and I'm going to click here to the side of my name and I'm going to press Ctrl+V and immediately I'm going to save. So like this, I just press Ctrl+V and saved, and it might take a few tries for this to work, and just keep on trying and it should work eventually. Just make sure you do it very quickly. And that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.